First, take 4 fresh eggs and mark them on the eggshells for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. Add 4 eggs to the air fryer and set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and the time to 20 minutes. After 5 minutes, the egg marked for 5 minutes is taken out. After 10 minutes, the egg marked for 20 minutes has burst inside. When I took it out, the shell had come off and burst. After another 15 minutes, take out the egg marked for 15 minutes. At the end of the 20 minutes, there was only 1 egg left in the air fryer. It was a burst egg. The egg that had only been boiled for 5 minutes was not cooked well. The egg boiled for 10 minutes was cooked well and was in a good condition for eating. The egg, boiled for 15 minutes, had changed color. The egg that was in it for 20 minutes had become colorless and had a spongy texture. This concludes that the egg is ready to eat after boiling in the air fryer for 10 minutes.